Tonight we're out here with Mary Davison and Nash Rodebush. We're is August 1st already? Yeah. My goodness, it's been a fast summer, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And y'all have been doing a lot of stuff, not only these tomatoes, but working out in the field at Bradford and Sanborn Field. And one of the big things I gave you all to do is to stake all these tomatoes. 200 varieties, 6 plants of each, plus 75 tomatoes, plus everything else I conjured up that you had to stake. So I said, come up with some different ones, right?
Yep.
Which was your favorite?
I'd say probably it's the cattle panels.
Cattle panels, all right.
Pretty low maintenance.
You do it once, you're over, aren't you?
Do it once, clip them in, and they grow into them. Pretty low maintenance.
How about you, Mary?
Personally, I like the trellising the best. I mean,
It's the coolest looking.
Yeah, it's coolest. I'm used to it the most, but the easiest was definitely just the regular stake and weave. But
yeah, stake and weave. Now, William had to show you how to do that, but you had stake and weave, and also what, a basket weave?
A basket weave, yeah. So you go in and out between all the tomatoes instead of just sandwiching them. So
that's a little bit more work, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, a little more. It's easier when the tomatoes are smaller. So.
And I know we were a little bit kind of reluctant because we were going to mow, then we got all this rain, but we got to plant cover crops between the tomatoes and peppers, didn't you? And we got to see the robot doing part of it, and the other way, the more the tractor and drill. Nash, you also have had a research project out here.
Yep. So we have 3 cover crop systems over there. We have perennial, annual, and then no cover crop. I am doing organic potassium treatments and fertilizers to see yield and sweetness differences.
So here, once they start coming off, you're going to be measuring what? Sucrose content? Sure?
Yeah, bricks. Exactly. We got a bricks measuring refractometer.
Yes, yeah, that's right.
Refractometer, yeah. So we'll be measuring that and then see if the treatments. We can see any differences in the tomatoes. And
hopefully get to do them at the Tomato Fest so people can compare.
Yep.
Which is the better, because you also use worm castings and compost and all kinds of neat stuff.
Yep, yeah. We had some biochar in there.
Oh, that's right. So that's going to be really interesting. Now, Mary, this morning I saw you do something that you hadn't done before. What was that?
I was planting sunflowers. I got to drive the tractor with the planter on the back.
With the tractor, yeah. And you planted straighter than William Lee did, the grad student that grew up on a tractor.
I know, I'm surprised.
So that's going to be lots of fun because there are about 20 different kinds, wasn't there?
Yeah, I got to pick out about 20 different varieties of sunflower seeds. So there's purple ones, pink ones, orange, multicolor, just plain green ones. So yeah.
That's be real pretty. Green sunflower?
Yeah.
We'll see how that looks. All right. Anything else you want to say?
It was a fun summer.
Yeah.
Learned a lot.
It's fast though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We got more to do, but it's been a great summer. Thank you all.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.